Hey everyone, JBL Tune 730BT represents a fresh addition to JBL's lineup of wireless over-ear headphones. Debuting in Japan on November 13th, 2025, developed by Harman International. This model embraces both performance and modern lifestyle trends, catering to users who see headphones not only as a listening device, but also as part of their personal style. Weighing just about 218 grams, the Tune 730BT is light and compact, with a foldable design that makes it easy to store and carry. The headphones will be available in 3 colors, black, white, and blue, offering users a choice that suits different tastes and styles. Sound quality has always been a core focus for JBL, and the Tune 730BT continues that tradition. It features 40mm dynamic drivers that deliver JBL's signature pure bass sound, characterized by rich, deep low frequencies and crisp highs. The result is an immersive sound profile that works well across genres, from pop and electronic music to podcasts and movies. The inclusion of 2 beamforming microphones, combined with an AI-powered noise reduction module, ensures that calls remain clear and intelligible even in busy environments, which enhances the headphone's usefulness for both work and leisure. In terms of connectivity and efficiency, the Tune 730BT embraces the latest wireless technologies. Supporting Bluetooth 6.0 and the new LE audio standard, the headphones promise a more stable connection, improved latency, and better audio transmission. The addition of the LC3 codec further refines sound quality while optimizing battery consumption, allowing users to enjoy extended listening without compromise. Battery life is one of the most impressive aspects of the JBL Tune 730BT. On a full charge, the headphones can deliver up to 76 hours of continuous playback, making them ideal for travelers, commuters, and marathon listeners. Moreover, JBL includes a fast-charging feature that provides approximately 5 hours of playback from just a 5-minute charge, a convenience that ensures users are rarely without music. Multi-point connectivity is another welcome feature, allowing seamless switching between 2 Bluetooth devices. For instance, moving from a smartphone call to a laptop playlist without manual reconnection. The Tune 730BT also integrates neatly into the modern digital ecosystem. It supports Google Fast Pair for quick setup, Microsoft Swift Pair for PC users, and Google's Find My Device for easy tracking if misplaced. Through the JBL Headphones app, users can further customize their experience by adjusting button functions and fine-tuning the EQ settings to their personal preference. Priced at 13,200 yen, including tax, the JBL Tune 730BT offers an appealing balance of premium sound, advanced connectivity, and remarkable battery life at a mid-range cost. It combines practical features with thoughtful design, making it a compelling choice for anyone seeking comfort, long endurance, and quality sound in their everyday headphones. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.